Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Play Store. And go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on settings. Click on general. Click on account and device preferences. Scroll down right here until you get to clear wish list. So click on that. Next thing you want to do is to click on clear. Wish list clear. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Play Store on Android, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.